BA ফার্স্ট সেম ইংলিছ অনাৰ্ছৰ এটা মহাভাৰতৰ পৰা এটা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আহিছোঁ লগতে এনচাৰ। Write a note on the role played by Shokuni in the game of dicing, or what role does Shokuni play in the dice game? বা write a note on the role played by Shokuni in the game of dicing এনেকুৱা আহি পৰে। In the Mahabharata answer, in the Mahabharata, Shokuni was the symbol of evil and instrument in the defeating the Pandavas by playing the game of dice on behalf of Duryodhana. Shokuni, the brother of Gandhari, maternal uncle of Duryodhana, is one of the main villains of the Hindu epic Mahabharata. Portrayed as an extremely intelligent, is often credited as the mastermind behind the Kurukshetra war. Shokuni is perhaps best known for masterminding the infamous game of dice between the Kauravas and the Pandavas. A master of sorcery, Shokuni had his blessed dice which would always flow his way. When Duryodhana returned from Indraprastha, he was bearing in fires of jealousy and envy. Duryodhana wanted all the luxurious and comfort Pandavas have in Indraprastha. So Shokuni devised the plan to invite Yudhishthira on a dice game of gambling. Shokuni knows that Yudhishthira is fond of gambling, and if Dhritarashtra sent him a request for a dice duel game of gambling, Shokuni Yudhishthira cannot reject the offer. Shokuni was master of dicing and throwing dice. He threw dice and played in such a way that Yudhishthira lost all his wealth and kingdom, even his brother and himself too. Shokuni Duryodhana then suggested him to bet Draupadi, and he lost Draupadi too. Now Duryodhana and Karna disturbed and humiliated Draupadi by dragging her in the assembly with the help of Dushasana. At this, Dhritarashtra returned the kingdom to the Pandavas for the humiliation inflicted on Draupadi. The Pandavas went back to Indraprastha. Shokuni requested Dhritarashtra that he and Duryodhana had humiliated Pandavas badly, and the Pandavas should get a fair chance in humiliating them. So a dice game should be played, and whoever will lose have to go on 12 years exile and 1 year Agatavasa. According to Dhritarashtra sent order to Yudhishthira to come back and have a dice game. Shokuni owned this game too. Now Shokuni got what he wanted: 13 years exile and Pandavas and Draupadi and kingdom of Pandavas. For Duryodhana, the ultimate result of the game of dice was the bloody battle between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, the war of Kurukshetra, fight between them being